This 2025 Winnebago Vista 33K is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features a Town&Country, Salinas Dark interior, sleep 6, smoke detector, microwave, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, refrigerator, slide-out, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, mid-kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.